The 2017 Regal. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, 4-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, auto headlight on/off, body color bumpers, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, security system, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, dual front airbags, dual zone AC, panic alarm, power driver seat. Buick Regal is based on the European Opel Insignia. The Regal is as much a sports sedan as it is a family sedan. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.